Running a home cleaning service means juggling leads, scheduling appointments, and keeping up with client communication, all while delivering top-notch cleaning services. These tasks can take up valuable time and leave you feeling overwhelmed. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template specifically for home cleaning businesses. This solution automates your lead management, streamlines appointment booking, and simplifies communication so you can focus on growing your business. Here's how it works. 1. Lead capture. 2. The system automatically collects leads from your website, social media, and ads, organizing them in the GHL CRM so you never lose a potential customer. 3. Instant follow-ups. 4. When a lead inquires about your services, the system sends automated follow-ups via SMS or email, encouraging them to book a cleaning appointment. 5. Online appointment scheduling. 6. Clients can easily book their cleaning appointments online using an integrated calendar, saving time and eliminating scheduling headaches. 7. Automated appointment reminders. 8. The system sends reminders to clients before their appointments, reducing no-shows and ensuring your schedule stays on track. 9. Post-cleaning follow-ups. 10. After each service, the system follows up to thank clients, gather feedback, and encourage repeat bookings or referrals. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, improve customer satisfaction, and grow your cleaning business. With lead capture, follow-ups, booking, reminders, and post-service engagement all handled automatically, you can focus on delivering a spotless experience. Ready to transform your home cleaning service? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start automating your success today. Don't wait. Streamline your cleaning operations now.